Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to manually install a Windows 11 security update using the Microsoft Update Catalog. First, you need to find the correct update. Open your browser and go to the Windows 11 Update History page. Look through the list and find the security update you want. You will see a code next to it called a KB number. This number is important, so remember or copy it. Next, open a new tab and go to the Microsoft Update Catalog website. This is where you can download updates manually. Now, in the search bar on that site, paste or type the KB number you copied earlier, then click the search button. You will see a list of results. Find the update that matches your system. Most people will use x64-based systems, but if your device uses ARM, choose ARM64 instead. Make sure the version also matches Windows 11. Once you find the correct one, click the download button next to it. A small window will open with a link. Click that link to start downloading the update file. After the download is complete, open the file. Follow the on-screen steps to install the update. That is how you manually install a Windows 11 security update from the catalog. Thanks for watching.